Hi, my name is Dr. Sam Forlenza and welcome to Chronic Health Solutions. I want to thank you for your interest in our upcoming seminar, and I want to tell you a little bit about the things that we're going to go over. Okay, at the seminar, we're going to learn really important stuff. We're going to learn about, what we focus on. We focus on food sensitivities, things that foods that will irritate us and cause intolerances on our immune system. We're going to talk about nutrient deficiencies, about malabsorptions, and how we're going to fill the gap of these deficiencies. We're even going to get down to cellular toxicities and learning how things like lead paint and these preservatives are actually getting us sick. It's really a shame, but the standard American diet, also referred to as a SAD diet, is full of processed food and is really wreaking havoc with us. Who should attend this seminar? Well, I always say people that are weight loss resistant. What is that? Weight loss resistance. Maybe you're having a little tough time losing that last 10 or 20 pounds. You've tried many things, but you've tried exercising, but you just can't get it off. People with gut dysfunction, leaky gut problems, chronic fatigue, poor energy, thyroid challenges, immune concerns, autoimmune challenges, ADHD. Nowadays there's a lot of literature with the brain-gut complex and how that connection is affecting a lot of kids today with behavioral problems and so forth. People with skin problems, fibromyalgia, diabetes, chronic pain, migraines. We're also going to learn, why the recent health challenges are not being addressed properly today in mainstream medicine. You're going to learn exactly what inflammation is during this seminar and how to fix it. We're going to talk a lot about ways on how to improving the digestive system and how to improve our overall health. Like I said, we're going to dive deep into nutrient deficiencies. Here, you'll learn how these malabsorptions play a great role. We're going to learn about food sensitivities, how that's putting pressure on our immune system. Then we're going to follow it up with nutrient deficiencies, and you're going to learn exactly what deficiencies that you're having trouble with and how to fix it. And like I said, nowadays our food is filled with these nitrates, preservatives, artificial sweeteners. We come in contact and actually eat a lot of these heavy metals like lead, mercury, stuff that's literally killing us. So again, if you have chronic fatigue, leaky gut syndrome, weight loss problems, ADHD, skin problems, fibro, diabetes, autoimmune, migraines, we're here to help. At the right of this video, you'll see a little sign-up form. What you need to do is just leave your name and your email and your phone number, and my staff will contact you with any specific instructions that you need to attend. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's not going to take that long, 30 to 45 minutes, and you're going to learn a lot of great information that you'll probably be able to implement as soon as you leave and go home. Anyway, thanks for listening. Thanks for your interest in our upcoming seminar. Leave your information on the sign-up form to the right of this video. Name, email, phone number. My staff will get in touch with you, and we're here to help. Talk to you soon. Take care.